who has a child entering grade 6, grade 9, and Form 4 this year, please take an interest in finding out if your child has been registered. We are going to open the portal for registration in February, and this will happen between February and March. CS, sometimes we get parents calling us a month to the exam saying, I've just discovered my child was not registered. That makes our life very difficult. So please, we want to appeal to all parents. Please make sure that you check with the institutions. If you have a child in grade 6, grade 9, and Form 4 this year, ensure your child has been registered. The next issue is that we will make an SMS platform available in the month of April so that every parent can confirm if their child has been registered. So by April, when the children come for their holiday,